Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Blink outdoor security camera system on the market. The Blink Outdoor 4th generation combined with the Blink Mini. This package offers a comprehensive smart security solution designed for both indoor and outdoor use, bringing peace of mind right to your fingertips. The Blink Outdoor 4 is Blink's latest evolution in wire-free security cameras. It features a sleek, compact design that measures just under 3 inches square, making it easy to mount almost anywhere outside your home. Powered by 2 all-lithium batteries, it boasts an impressive battery life of up to 2 years under normal use, which means less hassle replacing batteries and more reliable monitoring. Equipped with 1080p HD video resolution, the Outdoor 4 provides clear and sharp footage. Its 143-degree diagonal field of view captures a wide area, and the infrared night vision ensures visibility even in low light or dark conditions. This camera is designed to withstand harsh weather with an IP65 rating, so rain or shine, you can trust it to keep an eye on your property. Motion detection is a standout feature of this system. The Outdoor 4 offers enhanced dual-zone motion detection, allowing you to create customizable activity zones. This means you can focus the camera's alerts on specific areas and reduce unnecessary notifications caused by irrelevant movements. The camera also supports person detection as part of Blink's optional subscription service, which uses embedded computer vision technology to differentiate between people and other types of motion, giving you smarter alerts. The Blink Mini included in this bundle complements the Outdoor 4 perfectly by covering your indoor spaces. This small but powerful camera offers HD Live View and two-way audio, letting you see, hear, and speak to people inside your home through the Blink app. Together, these cameras provide full coverage for your property, both inside and out. Setting up this system is straightforward and user-friendly. You start by plugging in the Sync Module 2, which acts as the hub connecting all your cameras to your Wi-Fi network. The included batteries are inserted into each Outdoor 4 camera, and then you add the cameras to the Blink app by scanning a simple QR code. The whole process can be done in minutes without needing professional installation or any complicated wiring. The app itself offers intuitive control over all your Blink devices. From live viewing your cameras to customizing motion zones and notifications, you have full control wherever you are. Additionally, the system works seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices, allowing you to use voice commands to view camera feeds or control your security setup hands-free. When it comes to storing your video clips, Blink offers flexibility, with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan included. You can save clips in the cloud and enjoy extended features such as person detection and longer live view sessions. Alternatively, for those who prefer local storage, the Sync Module 2 supports a USB flash drive where you can save videos directly. Durability is another key aspect of the Blink Outdoor 4. Unlike previous generations, this 4th gen model is designed with enhanced weather resistance and robust build quality to withstand the outdoor elements year-round. Whether you're dealing with heat, cold, rain, or dust, this camera is built to last. In summary, the Blink Outdoor 4 and Blink Mini bundle delivers a powerful, flexible, and easy-to-use home security system. It combines wire-free convenience, long battery life, smart motion detection, and high-definition video quality into one package. Whether you want to protect your home, cabin, or business, this Blink system provides reliable coverage that you can monitor and control right from your smartphone. If you're looking for a dependable, affordable, and feature-rich security camera setup, this Blink Outdoor 4th generation system with the Mini is definitely one to consider. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more detailed reviews on the latest tech and gadgets. See you next time.